student, I am Vaishali Ganesh Akhade from Balaji High School, Hingna Road, Nagpur. This is our activity number 9 for class 9 subject science. Activity 9, it is based on chemical change and chemical bond. Let's understand what is ionic bond and what is covalent bond. What is chemical bonds? The attraction which binds two or more atoms together is called a chemical bond. Chemical bonds can be formed either by sharing electrons or by transferring electrons. Depending on this, there are two types of chemical bonds. First is ionic bond. It is formed between the two metals or non-metals by transferring the electrons. Here we can see the picture where sodium metal and chlorine non-metal transfers electrons and forms ions, that is sodium positive ion and chlorine negative ion. That's why these atoms have ionic bond. Covalent bond. This bond is formed by sharing valency electrons of two atoms with each other. For example, hydrogen. Here we can see the picture where hydrogen shares their electrons and forms covalent bond. Hydrogen has one electron in its K shell and duplet is short of 1 electron. Therefore, the valency of hydrogen is 1. As a result, electron duplet of both is completed by sharing of electrons. Here we can see hydrogen share 1 electron with oxygen and forms water molecule. Depending on how much pairs of electrons are shared, there are three types of covalent bonds. First is single bond, in which sharing of two electrons or one pair of electrons are there. Double bond, sharing of 4 electrons or two pairs of electrons are called double bond. Triple bond, in which sharing of 6 electrons or 3 pairs of electrons are there. For example, nitrogen. Let's practice. Question number 1 is name the type of chemical bonds. And the answer is first is ionic bond and second is covalent bond. Question number 2. Name the types of covalent bonds. And the answer is single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. Question number 3. Which type of bond is formed in the following diagram? Here the diagram is given and the answer is in the above diagram, ionic bond is formed as electrons are transferred from one atom to another atom. In the diagram, we can observe magnesium transfer their valency electron to chlorine and forms ions of chlorine and magnesium and forms the ionic bond. Question number 4. Which type of bond is formed in the following diagram? Diagram is given here and the answer is in the above diagram, covalent bond is formed as the electrons are shared with the atoms. We can observe oxygen atom and hydrogen atom share their valency electrons and forms covalent bond. Question number 5 is which ion is formed whether electrons are shared or transferred? And the answer is when electrons are transferred, then ions are formed. The ions may be positive ions or negative ions. Thank you student for watching this video. If you like it, share with your friend and subscribe the channel. Thank you.